Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by bringing the clip you want to stabilize into the project panel and dropping it onto a match sequence. This avoids resampling artifacts. Once done, trim to the exact unstable portion so Warp Stabilizer analyzes only necessary frames, which saves time and improves accuracy. Make sure to disable any pre-applied motion effects. They interfere with analysis. You should also set the sequence frame size and frame rate to the final delivery settings to prevent unwanted scaling later on. Drag Warp Stabilizer onto the trimmed clip and watch the analysis progress. You'll see a blue banner while Premiere measures motion. Next, pick a result. Smooth motion keeps some intentional camera feel, while no motion completely steadies the frame. This choice affects how much warp is applied. Then tune smoothness, lower values preserve original motion, higher values tighten stabilization. Also change method from subspace warp to position or position, scale, rotation if you see warping on edges, and enable or disable crop less smooth more as needed. After analysis, preview the clip at full resolution and look for distortions or wobble. If you spot warping, switch method to position, scale, and rotation, or lower smoothness to around 5–15% to reduce artifacting. Once content looks good, let Premiere render that section for smooth playback. Render in and out for accurate final quality. One troubleshooting tip: if you get odd corner warps, toggle preserve scale or change subspace warp to position, then reanalyze. That fixes most geometry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.